Hi everyone, it's Nancy McNally, NancyMcNallyQuilts.com, and today I want to talk to you about some things that are coming up, what's new, and what is coming out soon for the next several months. So today is January 29th, 2025, and here's what's coming up. First is my new block of the week. It's called Patch and Dash. Patch and Dash, so it's the letter N between patch and dash. It's kind of a tongue twister sometimes. So I'm going to release a new block every week, and now the first block has already been released, and the second block is going to be released this coming Monday. So if you're interested, it's free. No video tutorials will be offered for these blocks. They are 6-inch blocks. Finish size 6-inch blocks, and again they're going to be released once a week. Now the first block you have to make 8 of, the second block you have to make 40 of, and here's the first block. It's a churn dash, easy peasy, right? And then the second block, this one I took my time on. It's kind of curled. There we go. I'm calling this the 4-patch chain. So after you make these 2 blocks, the next several blocks, because there's a total of 18 including those 2, so the next 16 blocks will you only have to make 2 of each of them to complete the quilt. All right, so if you want more information about Patch and Dash, a free block of the week, go visit my website, NancyMcNallyQuilts.com. And on the menu bar, the top of the screen, or you can click menu if you're using your phone, you'll see Patch and Dash. And there you'll find the fabric supply list, and you will find the calendar of release dates. There are some skip dates in there because I will not be home. I will be gone on a trip. I'm traveling a little bit this year. So, oh, and that was my phone. Let's put this phone over here. Sorry about that. Okay, and then directly below those 2, the supply list and the calendar, you'll see where you can grab each of the week's patterns. Remember, they're only going to be released once a week. So right now, only block 1 is on the page. Block 2 is going to be released on Monday, which I believe is February 3rd. Son number 3's birthday. Perfect timing. All right. All right, again, all the information is on my website. Now, to find out more information about that, you need to subscribe to my blog, because I'm only going to be sending out notifications through my blog. But then again, if you just check with the calendar, then you will be fine, because you can just mark your calendar dates. All right, so the next thing that's coming up, let's talk about my single quilt blocks. I have several that are coming out. One is Rosalind. It's a variation of another block, and so I changed its name, and I will give you the history on that when I release that block. The next one will be a variation of Queen's Crown, because I've been working with 12-inch blocks. The Queen's Crown block is a 10-inch block, so I had to change it up a little bit to make it so that it would fit a 12-inch size that I've been using. All right, and then I'm going to be releasing Galaxy Star. There's more to come, but these are just the ones that are coming up really soon. I have a table runner that I will be releasing next month, and I'll be releasing it next week. Sorry. Well, that is next month. I forgot. Apologize. So it's called the I So Heart You Table Runner. It's perfect for Valentine's, and I promise it's easy to piece. I will be doing a video tutorial, but I haven't decided if it's on just the technique I use or if it's going to be on the quilting part. I might do both. It all depends on the schedule. And then the next one is called Basket of Tulips. I love this little wall hanging. I love this little wall hanging. And that will also come out. That will come out in March. I may have one more in between those 2. I haven't decided yet because of the other things that I'm working on. Okay. The next one on the list is my quilt pattern, Peaks and Valleys. Peaks and Valleys, I'm going to do a tutorial on each of the log cabin type blocks that are in that quilt. I love that quilt. Now there's a backstory behind this quilt, and so when I release those tutorials, I'll tell you the backstory behind it. All right, before I talked about my cluster blocks, now that was in my blog, or no, excuse me, that was in my newsletter. So if you haven't signed up, and my phone volume is on, so if you haven't signed up or subscribed for my newsletter, you might want to go do that, because I am starting to put a lot more, and I'm sending out a newsletter weekly now. It's just easier to do than other things. So all right, so cluster blocks. Now cluster blocks are asymmetrical blocks. They will have a large block, and then two sides of the large block will be surrounded with smaller blocks. And that is going to pull together into a quilt. And that is also going to be a part of the single quilt block series, but they're not true single blocks. You're getting more than one block in it. So I'm going to offer a layout for that one, and actually layout choices, so you'll see that in the future, so be watching for that one. Several more video tutorials that I will be doing are on, I got to finish my video tutorials on Bumbleberry Pie. That's the big quilt behind me. Now I do not have the rights to this pattern yet. I gave Lewis and Irene 1 year of rights, so I will get the pattern back in June. Then there's Midnight Reflections. I'm also going to finish the video tutorials for that, and that's going to be in the next several months. I will get all of those video tutorials done. Midnight Reflections, you can purchase it from me. And also Snowflake Feathered Star. Now Snowflake Feathered Star is a large quilt. It is a king size quilt. It is so big I cannot, we actually have a second, you can't see it, a second rod to hang quilts from. You can't see it when I hang it up. It takes up, it's 106 inches wide, or is it 108? It's big. It's just big. So I need to finish the video tutorials for all 3 of those quilts. All right, I'm going to close for now, and I need to get busy and start filming the next video tutorial. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.